Yo, get the speaker box loud, hitting that stuff till you hearing that sound.
Welcome, Juri, here in Fertöszentmiklos.
Fertöszentmiklos.
What we do here?
We are going to pimp my Stratux.
Okay. And how? How we do it?
I need your help. We will do it like you will solder something on the T-Motion, Liligo, from Liligo. I need you to solder the sensors for the barometric pressure, so I have a better or the best possible reception.
Yeah, also in this chip is only the barometric sensor.
Okay.
And it's important for us when we fly in level with other traffics. Then then it's a problem when the other traffic have GPS altitude,
yeah,
and we have barometric altitude.
Okay.
So it's important all traffics in the air have barometric. Yeah, and that's the point why we get and barometric sensors chips.
Okay,
Into the T-Motion from Liligo. Also the first step is to fit in. I don't know what is löten in German, in English.
Solder.
Okay.
We have to solder.
Yeah, this on these pins.
Yeah.
And for example, here VCC is the voltage. Mm-hmm. G and D is the ground. And then SCL is the sensors.
Okay.
And the other two pins we don't have to
solder. Okay.
Thank you. Okay, yeah. And we make this here. Can you take
I can take the
smartphone. And here we have, that's the voltage,
yeah,
ground, and the signal. This is
voltage ground.
VCC to the voltage, ground to the ground, and CSL to P. What's that?
What is it? BG.
BG, okay. And you know,
sorry, P87.
The first four is important.
Okay.
Yeah. The last two, it's not important. So I cut this original have 6 pins, and I cut the last 2 pins.
Okay.
And now I will.
Okay. Solder it on.
Solder it.
Okay. Let's prepare that, and we will film it.
Solder station.
Yeah. Exactly.
So now we have to put in there.
From the bottom. Should I hold it for you?
But it's not really important to make it linear to the chip.
Okay.
It's not a problem.
We just needed to have contact with the board.
That's what I mean. So now we make it. Only the first one is a problem with one hand. Can you push it up from the ground? Yeah, great. So it's easier.
So after an accident later, yeah.
Don't hold it the pin where I'm.
Yeah, of course, because
working.
it transfers the heat.
Sorry.
It's my fault actually.
No, it's my fault.
Yeah.
So now I have here a little bit mistake, and so clean it up.
Okay.
And now it's very simple. Get on the pin. Zack.
Zack is the best expression I think I find. Very fitting. Zack, finish.
Zack. So.
Okay, great.
And now we have to check from the side that
Nice.
you see what I mean. You have to check that the other pins not be together.
Yeah, so
Okay.
they don't cancel each other out.
Yes. So, and now we take this and bring it up here. You can also take this on the other side.
Okay.
No problem. But now we have the plastic pins on this side. Now we give it here.
Okay.
I think the other side is the better choice.
Okay.
Then we have no place problems. Now
okay. There's the
have
processor or something.
Yes, right. I think the other side will be better, but now we have it.
It doesn't matter. We already chose this one.
So, and in the Stratux application, you have to check that the sensor is active and correct. Built in.
How do we try that?
So we can see in the Stratux, Stratux application, you can see barrel sensor is active or not.
Okay. Yeah. I know what you
And
mean.
we have to check barrel sensor is still installed.
If it's functioning, yeah, we can show that
We can
later.
check it. We can check it on your system.
Yeah. So,
What we got here?
we finally made it, or you finally made it, Florian, thank you. So we are now mirroring the Stratux app, the radar
Sound off.
from the Stratux app. If you change the values here, 5 nautical miles, it changes on the display as well. If I change it to 10 nautical miles, it changes. You can set the altitude over here, 1,000 feet above or below. If you increase that, you can have almost 10,000 feet vision upwards or downwards. Yeah, and it shows you the barrel alt right here. So that means the barometric sensor was correctly soldered on. Thank you. Thank you, Florian.
But we found
Yeah.
when we go in the main,
Yeah,
in the status, yeah,
Status page, yeah.
then we don't see the barosensor. We
don't-
only see the barosensor in
In the radar.
Sound
the
off.
radar.
Radar,
Yeah, that's
okay.
important.
Yeah, that's actually, yeah, that's true.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now that's the FLAM for now with barometric sensor, and the other thing is still the ADS-B in, and now the upgrade is the Stratux radar display. I have printed with a 3D printer, and it's PET-G material.
Very nicely done.
Yeah, and so we can see the traffic on the Stratux radar. Yeah. What we do here?
I don't know.
It's not a schnitzel. what is schnitzel in
Schnitzel
English?
is schnitzel. It's the same.
Bye.